Hi, I'm Ebony. I'm a lead compounder here at Lush Manufacturing in Vancouver. That's my formal title, but I'm responsible for so many other cool things as well. I became a compounder in 2016. 10 years. There we go.
Girl, your face did your team.
I definitely think that anybody can compound. You will be sore the first day, for sure. Do not be surprised if you gotta lift 25 kilos and move it around at a time. Could I make Glory blindfolded? It'd be a little messy, but yes, I could.
How?
I'd love to tell you, but it would need to be redacted. So the rooms that I have done, dairy pots, dairy bottles, massage, soap, powders, fresh, ballistics. I've made some bubbles, lip scrubs, makeup, perfumes. Yeah. My favorite though will always be soap. Getting feedback from retail, being like, hey, that Outback mate that you made, the swirl was so nice. And I'm like, I tried really hard with that. Thank you.
Are you aware that you have like a fandom?
From the retail staff, especially like in Alberta, I was told that there's a community of like Muslim girls there that when I became a compounder, were so excited to see a Muslim woman with a scarf on the products that were being made. And I'm like, okay, that gives me the gumption. Let's just keep going. Let's make sure like there's people looking up to you. As much as they see themselves in me, I also am seeing myself in them because I am a Black woman, I am a Muslim woman. Gotta make them happy. What I like about this is my mom, she was very adamant that I knew how to open up a coconut. She's like, you're from the Caribbean, you must know how to do it. Come on, don't make me a fool, not for my mom. It's quite satisfying. I was the first chair for the Black Excellence Community Network, which I'm really, really proud of. Lush started these community networks, which were basically employee resource groups. It's a wonderful space to be able to connect with different people, get together, feel supported, champion ideas. What I think is really special about it is that it's employee-led. My goal was to cultivate a space where you feel seen, you feel heard, you feel accepted, or one might even say normal, because these were all the words that I was feeling. Upon like the first meeting, everything that everyone had shared, it was like, oh, I feel like that. That's great. Like, and being in Vancouver, the Black population here, I'll be honest, in Lush wasn't that big. So it kind of felt like there were eyes only on me sometimes. It was a beautiful relief to be with others that were experiencing the same thing that I was experiencing or felt the same way that I felt. I came to work a little less afraid of being me because there were others like me. Products that I'm excited for in the future, it just so happens that I'm able to partner with our founders and Black Excellence, of course, to fill a gap that Lush has acknowledged when it comes to melanin-rich skin and our product line. We are really taking what I believe is like a responsible approach and trying to get the data to figure out where the gaps are within the business. I think we're in a really good place to really make meaningful products with melanin-rich skin in mind. And the fact that Black Excellence gets to be a part of it, that's really special. And I definitely could not imagine that being where I am right now when I started. Thanks for compounding with me. Bye.